Hey guys, Ronx765 here, back with another video, and today we'll be doing an unboxing and test print of the Flashforge Adventurer 4 3D printer. The Adventurer 4 was released in the US on April 1st, 2021, with an increased print volume and print speed from the Adventurer 3. That's our old 3D printer, the mono-price voxel. Time to see what's inside. We have an instruction and a quick start manual, a power cord, and a packet that contains some tools. We have an extra extruder that heats to 265 degrees Celsius. The extruder already installed in the printer heats to 240 degrees Celsius. Here's a better look at the contents of the packet. Along with the extruder, we have a small Phillips screwdriver, an unclogging pin tool, an Allen wrench set, grease, a USB drive, which we'll use later, a leveling card, a spare filament guide tube joint, plus the quick start manual. Also included is a 1.75mm 1 kilogram spindle of red PLA filament so you can get started right away. The printer comes packaged in polyethylene foam for good protection. So let's go ahead and take the printer out. Let's remove the wrapping. Time to start plugging in the power. Let's unwrap and load the filament. We're turning it on for the first time. Printer is going to ask us to do some basic setup, like language preference and connecting the Wi-Fi. So now that we've connected to the Wi-Fi, the printer says there's an update available, so let's do that now. The update is complete, so let's turn off and turn on the printer. The printer is asking us to set up the language and Wi-Fi again, so we'll just do that one more time. We're going to do an initial prep to preheat and load the filament. The extruder must heat up to 240 degrees Celsius to prepare for the filament load. Once it's ready, it'll take about 1 to 2 minutes for the filament to load. So at this point, the spindle should be turning, but let's make sure the filament is pushed into the feeder system properly. There it goes. As soon as you see the filament appear from the extruder, your filament is loaded and is ready to print. Make sure you hit the complete button on the touch screen to let the printer know it's ready. The USB we saw earlier comes with the software and object files ready to test with. We insert the drive into the printer's USB port and select the USB from the build menu. These are the objects that are ready to print. The objects are found in the test file folder of the USB drive. Let's just choose the first object and let it build. Both the extruder and the build plate need to heat up to the target temperature shown on the screen before the print job can start. It's printing. Looks like it's going well. The screen will display the status of the job along with the current temperature and time left to finish printing. Printing complete. The print job had completed a little while ago, so the print bed shouldn't be so hot anymore. Be careful anyway when taking it out. After a few bends of the build plate, the test object is loosened and can be pulled out. And there you have it. Let's remove the raft underneath since it's not part of the object. Here are some other samples we printed from the test folder and they came out real nice.